Well, this little novelty trinket dish is made by Aynsley in the Cottage Garden pattern and design. A little bit of gilt decoration around the beak, sweet little thing, quite a long beak, and the actual back of the duck forms the lid, which can be removed. And very clean, as you can see, no damage or wear on this at all, absolutely in mint condition. The base of the little trinket dish, suitable for rings, jewellery or necklace. And there's the period Aynsley Cottage Garden China mark on it. Not a particularly old mark, late 20th century. These little things were made for gifts really. But it is very sweet, and whether it's still in production or not, I doubt very much. It's probably late 20th century, early 21st this. Nice little bit of collector's novelty wear from Aynsley in bone china in the Cottage Garden design. The description link below will take you directly through to the website listing for this. Plenty of Aynsley Cottage Garden tea, dinnerwares and vases, and all sorts of bits and bobs on catalogue currently, so do have a browse through our website on the Cottage Garden Aynsley search term. Thanks for watching.